Option trading tips. Boost your profits and minimize risks. Get it? Here are some option trading tips to help you boost your profits and minimize your risks when trading. Are you a trader who is interested in options trading? This video is for you. There are many areas through which you can trade and make lots of money. In this video, we will be talking about options trading tips and how you can utilize it for productive outcomes. In general, options trading can be a great way to boost your profits and minimize your risks. However, it's important to understand the risks involved before you start trading options. Understand the basics of options trading. Before you start trading options, it's important to understand the basics of how options work. Use a trading plan. A trading plan will instill discipline and help you avoid making emotional decisions. A good trading plan should constitute of how much risk you can bear, risk tolerance, what you are looking to achieve, trading goals, and how you will go about it, trading strategies. Start small. When you're first starting out, it's best to start small and gradually increase your position size as you gain more experience. This will help you minimize your losses if you make a mistake. For instance, if you start big with minimal knowledge and practically no experience, the chances of you losing your capital is very high. Use stop losses. A stop loss is an order that automatically sells your options if they reach a certain price. This will help you limit your losses if the market goes down dramatically. Research is key. Before you trade any option or indulge in anything risky, it's important to do your research. Doing research will help you make informed decisions about whether or not to trade the option. Patience is mandatory. Waiting for the right opportunities and not forcing your trades is the utmost for proper options trading. With a propensity of being a volatile market, options trading can make you suffer losses if you are not patient enough. Use technical analysis. Technical analysis can help you identify trends and patterns in the market. Make sure you conduct routine technical analyses to help you make better trading decisions. Trade with a reputable broker. There are many different brokers that offer options trading. It's important to choose a broker that is reputable and has a good reputation for customer service. Stay up to date on the news. The news can have a big impact on the price of options. It's important to stay up to date on the latest news so that you can make informed and educated trading decisions. Learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're first starting out. Use your mistakes to guide you into making proper decisions next time. After all, trading is a learning journey, and you are bound to hit a few bumps along the journey. Wrapping up, options trading can be a profitable way to invest. But it's important to understand the risks involved before you start trading. By following the options trading tips laid out in this blog, you can boost your profits and minimize your risks when trading options. To learn more about options trading and how you can maximize your trading profits, check out our other videos or visit our main homepage to learn about stock options.